Hey, welcome to another video from DD Aerophotography. Hey, before we start the video and go out and see what's going on in Long Prairie, Lakeview, Merritt Field, everything else up there that needs to be seen, I do want to show the drones I have, and because I always get asked about what kind of drones that you should buy or buy the drone I have. The drone I have is a Mavic 3, and I always tell everybody to get the little one, the little mini 4K, because it'll shoot in 4K and it'll take just as great pictures as the Mavic 3. The Mavic 3 will handle the wind better. This one will not. But this takes, like it says in the description, it's a mini 4K. When they say mini, you can see the size difference. But the mini 4K is $380. And it comes with 3 batteries. Each battery will run about 30 minutes. So you get an hour and a half flight time with this little drone. And it takes 4K, and it takes very good pictures, which is great for Facebook, YouTube, or any social media. There is a little bigger drone that I used to have. It's called the Mini 3 Pro, and it has obstacle avoidance. So if you're going to run into a building or a car or something, it'll avoid it. And it costs $1,400. And like I tell everybody, my Mavic 3 here, this runs $3,400. It'll fly 45 minutes. It'll fly 45 miles an hour. It can handle all the winds. You know, because if I go out and want to make a video and it's windy, I really don't want to take this one up, because it'll be blown around a little bit. But the Mavic 3, it'll handle the winds very well. Because I do know I have a lot of viewers that are always watching and always asking what drone to get. Get the Mini 4K. And I'll have links in my description below for each drone for the Amazon. And I am not getting a dime out of it. I don't know why people say that they're making money off of it or whatever, or how they do it. But I'm not making any money. If you use any of the links down below, you can get those links off of Amazon and you can see the prices. But like I said, as of today, July 11th, the prices are for the Mini 4K is $380. The Mini 3 Pro is $1,400. The Mavic 3 is $3,400. If you want to go out and get some really good photos and video, the Mini 4K is the way to go. Let's take off and see what's up there. Howdy, howdy, howdy. We're going to start off here in Middleton, Florida. We're going to start off looking at some commercial properties here. We're going to look at Mavis Tire, Smalls Sliders, and Chase Bank. You can see they're coming along very well. Chase Bank, Small Sliders, and they have started doing Mavis Tire. I'm pretty excited for Mavis Tire to open up here on the south side. So do you think Small Sliders can be like Crystals or White Castle? I hope not. Hope it'll be better. You know, you can buy those containers pretty cheap. They're like $2,000, $2,500. Nice decoration. All right, this is Publix. I'll give you a hint about shopping at Publix. Don't buy anything. Don't buy anything unless it's BOGO. Then go someplace else. Walmart, Aldi's. They know that. So just go in there and buy this stuff that's on BOGO and walk out. One thing I did notice about this Publix, the parking lot doesn't look to be that big compared to the one up in Magnolia. So I was wondering if it's going to hold all the people from Middleton down here in the south side of the villages.
Like the Lakeview man, Lakeview man.
All right, check out Lakeview here. I think that I might be done flying Lakeview here. So we'll be done with LaGrange and Lakeview. I think my next videos will be just heading further south into the villages down there in Long Prairie, Merritt, Farmstead. So we're going to go down here to Central Lake and do a flip. Go back south. And you can see all the houses that are being built down through there are almost completed. I would say in a few weeks, this will be done. Say villagers have already started moving into Lakeview here. If you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps with the almighty algorithm. And if you have any ideas for a new video, please drop a comment below. You can see the exit to Eastport there on the right.
From the halls of Montezuma.
Okay, we're going to go over to Merritt Field here. We're going to run south all the way down to the end of the court. So people can see the lots down through here. If you notice on top of the screen, that's the way you're looking. And we're going to come back here to Bob Run when we get down to the end of the court. From the first shovel of dirt to the final lock on the door, your home story matters. With our photo home build package, you'll get high quality photos Monday through Friday, delivered straight to your inbox the same day. Plus a cinematic 4K drone video that captures your home's progress and a neighborhood coming to life. All this for just $350, not due until the build is complete. Watch your dream home rise, one photo at a time. And here we are back at Bob Run here. I do want to say, and I don't know why I have not done this before, but my prices are going to stay at $350. But I am going to give a veterans discount, being that we are the largest group of veterans in a retirement section, a retirement community. So you have to tell me that you are a vet without telling me you are a vet. And I want to apologize because I have not thought about this or done it. When we come up to this part of Merritt Field here, and we turn left to go west, look at all the lots that are graded down through here. Look at the foundations that are down there. Wow, can you believe that? And we're going to turn back south here, keep going down Bob Run. I'm just wondering, did anybody see my video about the sinkhole mitigation that they did here in Merritt Field? Drop a comment below. Do you see all the lakes down through there in Merritt Field? The Villages does more to conserve water from the water table than any other community here in Florida. All the water that's used for irrigation comes out of the ponds, not out of the water table, like other communities in Florida. But look at Merritt Field over here. They're building another villa community down there. They haven't even started building the designer and premier homes down here in Merritt Field yet. And as we move along Bush Boulevard here, we're coming to Holman Rec Center. The Village of Farmstead. I need a song for this. I wasn't going to play Old MacDonald. I thought that was too cheesy. This is the Village of Farmstead. We're going along the walking path here, looking north up to 470. And see how big the lakes are for the community of Farmstead. In this video here, you can see how busy 470 is on a Saturday morning. So plan accordingly. Check out these lots down through here. Pretty cool. No neighbors in your backyards. Little swampy area there. I'm gonna come across Bush Boulevard. And so go down the walking path. And we're gonna keep going east here, looking at 470, and we're gonna fly over to 470 and go to another village. And the villages does not have the most roundabouts in one place. That goes up to Carmel, Indiana. The village of Green Hill Grove. Okay, we're going to take off here at Green Hill Grove and go up. We'll go up about, 2,000-3,000 feet in the air. So you can see everything. Alright, we're going to pan here from the south and go up to the north. And look at all the area that they have to build here in the village of Green Hill Grove. I know this is more one village, but we're just taking off at Green Hill Grove. All right, we're going to fly down Corbin Trail as far as I can see. And it's about there. And we're going to get out to that point again. And we're going to spin to the south and pan to the north. So you can see all the area that the villages has to build in this area here. In the Eastport area. So if you're in your young 50s and you're thinking, man, I want to move to the villages and they're not going to have any new houses for me. Look at all the area out through here. They have to build all these lots out through here, and these are all going to be new houses, new villagers, new clubs, and they're going to be living their best lives and playing free golf for the rest of their life. The village of Long Prairie, kind of out of order. Mustang Sally. And looking at the village of Long Prairie, I'm thinking it's not going to take much longer, and I'm not going to be flying over the village of Long Prairie. They're building very quickly and efficiently down through here. Because look at all the branches down through here. Remember when we just started flying down here, a couple of weeks ago? There was nothing down in this area. Now look at all the walls that are up. the foundations, the ones under roof. I bet next week when we fly down through here, there's going to have sod. So if you're thinking about buying a veranda down there in Long Prairie, along the golf course, and keep your sales agent on speed dial. This is the Street of Dreams, and I'm thinking they're going to have the premier homes on the golf course side and the designer homes on the road side. This is my opinion. You can see Pullman Rec Center up there under roof. I bet Pullman will be dried in this week. So they'll be able to work in the rain on the inside. As we fly south here, you can see the cottage villas that were just sold. Congratulations on the new villagers that bought down there in the cottage villas. All right, we're going to fly along Long Prairie Path here, looking north, checking out Long Prairie. And you can also see they have a very large lake here, so they can use the water out of the lake for their irrigation. Also, the irrigation for the golf courses is from the lakes down there. And can you believe how many houses in Long Prairie there are built down through there? If you see past Long Prairie, look at all the land down there. That is all village property. All going to be new houses. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And here's another video that YouTube thinks that you will enjoy of mine.